for allowing me to review the 2022 Hyundai Tucson.
Today we are viewing the all-new redesigned Hyundai Tucson. This particular model wrapped in a Ponofito gray. For the length 183 inches, height 65 inches, you have a wheelbase of 108 inches with a ground clearance of 7.1 inches. Right here we are looking at a 2.5 liter inline 4, aka 4 banger, pushing out 187 for the torque, 178 at 4,000 RPM for the MPG highway, 33, city 26. Here's the sound of it. You have a dark chrome grille with sharp body lines that give it an aggressive look. Right here we're looking at a 19-inch alloy wheel with a machine accent finish. This particular model have remote start and smart parking assist. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. We're greeted with black leather seats. Right here we're looking at a 10.25 inch cluster gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel where you can go through your trip, compass, tire pressure, and all the other good stuff. Now we're bringing it back to your leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control setting with your plus and minus pedal shifters. On the door panel you have your memory seat settings. The buttons right here is your interior down with your trunk release alongside your traction control. Looking down on the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one touch window control with mirror control. You have your engine start button, aka your push button start. This particular model is the keyless entry. Right here we're looking at a 10.25 inch touchscreen display with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Blue Link. You have your 360 backup camera. Now we're bringing it down to your dual climate control. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB with your 12-volt outlet alongside your wireless charging pad. The buttons right here are your heated and cooled seats with your heated steering wheel alongside your hill assist with your parking assist. The buttons right here are your 4-wheel drive with your drive mode alongside your auto start feature. Watch as I demonstrate drive mode. It just turned red when we enter sport mode. Right here we're looking at a shift by wire, aka your Shifttronic. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have your cup holder area. Now we are making our way inside of the center console. Wow, this is pretty deep. Now we've made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control, alongside your Blue Link with your SOS Safety Connect. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we are making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with black leather seats. You have your air vent. You have 2 more USB outlets in the back of the vehicle. Looking down on the door panel, you have your one-touch window control with heated seats. In the clip as shown, I am 5'11" with decent amount of leg room. Now we are making our way to the cargo area. Imagine that 38.7 cubic feet with seat area. Imagine that 80.3 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a couple of 60-inch TVs in here. In the cargo area, you have your 12-volt outlet.
Once again, huge shout out to all Hyundai for allowing me to review the 2022 Hyundai Tucson. If you need any information about them, I'll leave the link in the description below. Always get people browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.